Hello children, good morning to you all. Hope you have completed yesterday's work. So now we are ready for the second lesson. We have completed our first lesson, India, our country. And in that lesson, I have told you about the physical divisions of India, right? The Himalayan mountains, the northern mountains, northern plains, great Indian desert, peninsular plateau, coastal plains, and what else? Islands. Okay, these are the physical divisions of India. I told you we are going to get the lesson on these topics separately for each one of them. So here are our lessons on the physical features of India. Our first lesson is in that. First lesson means the lesson about the physical features, the northern mountains. India, our lesson goes like this. Title of the lesson: India, the Great Himalayas. India, the Great Himalayas. This is the name of our lesson. So, the northern mountains, we have the name India, the Great Himalayas in our lesson, second lesson. From here, from second lesson till sixth lesson, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, till seventh lesson, we have the lessons on physical features of our country, physical divisions of our country. We are going to learn about them one by one. We are going to learn about them one by one. What are we going to learn about them? We are going to learn about the location of this area, life of the, what grows there, how will be the weather there, climate there, and what is the dressing and food habits of the people over there, what type of crops grow there, what are the famous places here, and what are the holy places, sightseeing places, all about different topics related to that particular place we are going to study. Understand? So in Himalaya, the Great Himalayas is the lesson which is connected with our, what to say, northern mountains, the physical division of India. Let me show you first. So, the northern mountains, north is the top. So, here are the Himalayan mountains. Okay, from here, from north till northeastern part. Northeastern part, we have the range of Himalayan mountains. Means the line of mountains, the chain of mountains start from the north and they spread till the northeastern part of our country. Understand? So, these areas, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, understand? Some parts of Patna, Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, they all are located in this region. Which region? The Himalayan mountain region, mountain area. So, how will be the life over there? Climate, what are the different types of occupations they do? Occupation means work, children. And all these we are going to learn in this lesson. So also about other physical features also when we start these lessons. So before going to the lesson, I would like to give you the new terms. Before going to the, because whatever I teach you should be able to read in the textbook. Here new terms are there which you cannot read yourself. You should know the correct spellings. You should know the correct pronunciation. That's why it is very important to make you read them. To make you read them. Understand? To make you read. That's why I am going to give new terms first. Understand? First, how much I plan to teach you, those many words I am going to give. I will divide the words into two groups. Today few I am giving, tomorrow few more I am going to give. After once I complete the new terms, then I will explain you the lesson. Whatever part I explain, I will tell you the page number. See children, this page I have explained. You please read it at home. So when you sit with the book for reading, if any word you cannot understand, if I teach you, easily you can understand and read the lesson and understand the lesson also very well. That is why first I am going to give you new terms. So let us begin with the new terms. So in your notebook, you are going to write these new terms 2 times each. And here we are reading them 3 to 4 times each. So first word is Himalaya. H-I-M-A-L-A-Y-A, Himalaya. H-I-M-A-L-A-Y-A, Himalaya. A-B-O-D-E, abode. A-B-O-D-E, abode. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L, parallel. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L, parallel. P-E-A-K-S, peaks. P-E-A-K-S, peaks. P-E-A-K-S, peaks. Kanchenjunga, C-A-N-C-H-E-N-J-U-N-G-A, Kanchenjunga. C-A-N-C-H-E-N-J-U-N-G-A, Kanchenjunga. Challenged, C-H-A-L-L-E-N-G-E-D, challenged. Attracted, A-T-T-R-A-C-T-E-D, attracted. Successful, S-U-C-C-E-S-S-F-U-L, successful. Boundary, stretches. First let us write. After once all the words writing is over, we are going to read them. Eleventh one. Narrow. Glaciers. Throughout, T-H-R-O-U-G-H-O-U-T, throughout. Valleys, V-A-L-L-E-Y-S, valleys. Orchards, O-R-C-H-A-R-D-S, orchards. Plums, P-L-U-M-S, plums. Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik, sources. So for today these 20 words enough. Actually in social studies we will get so many new terms. We have to learn them, but because it will be easy for us to read the lesson, that's why we have to read them. So let us read them, children. Today we are going to read 20 words 3 times each. And in your notebook you are going to write them 2 times each. That's it. One word 2 times, leave a line. Second word 2 times, leave a line. Like that you are going to write. So let's begin with our new terms. HIMALaya, Himalaya. HIMALaya, Himalaya. HIMALaya, Himalaya. HIMALaya, Himalaya. ABODE, abode. ABODE, abode. ABODE, abode. ABODE, abode. PARALLEL, parallel. PARALLEL, parallel. PARALLEL, parallel. PEAKS, speaks. PEAKS, speaks. PEAKS, speaks. PEAKS, speaks. CANCHENJUNGA, Kanchenjunga. CANCHENJUNGA, Kanchenjunga. KANCHENJUNGA, Kanchenjunga. KANCHENJUNGA, Kanchenjunga. CHALLENGED, challenged. CHALLENGED, challenged. CHALLENGED, challenged. CHALLENGED, challenged. ATTRACTED, attracted. ATTRACTED, attracted. ATTRACTED, attracted. ATTRACTED, attracted. SUCCESSFUL, successful. SUCCESSFUL, successful. SUCCESSFUL, successful. BOUNDARY, boundary. BOUNDARY, boundary. BOUNDARY, boundary. STRETCHES, stretches. STRETCHES, stretches. STRETCHES, stretches. STRETCHES, stretches. Next, NARROW, narrow. NARROW, narrow. NARROW, narrow. NARROW, narrow. GLACIERS, glaciers. GLACIERS, glaciers. GLACIERS, glaciers. GLACIERS, glaciers. THROUGH, through, OUT, out, throughout. THROUGH, OUT, throughout. THROUGH, OUT, throughout. THROUGH, OUT, throughout. VALLEYS, valleys. VALLEYS, valleys. VALLEYS, valleys. VALLEYS, valleys. ORCHARDS, orchards. ORCHARDS, orchards. ORCHARDS, orchards. ORCHARDS, orchards. PLUMS, plums. PLUMS, plums. PLUMS, plums. PLUMS, plums. HIMADRI, Himadri. HIMADRI, Himadri. HIMADRI, Himadri. HIMACHAL, Himachal. HIMACHAL, Himachal. HIMACHAL, Himachal. HIMACHAL, Himachal. SHIVALIK, Shivalik. SHIVALIK, Shivalik. SHIVALIK, Shivalik. SOURCES, sources. SOURCES, sources. SOURCES, sources. So in this way we have got 20 words. We have got 20 words. Okay, what are they? Himalayas, abode, parallel, peaks, Kanchenjunga, challenged, attracted, successful, boundary, stretches, narrow, glaciers throughout, valleys, orchards, plums, Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik, sources. These are the 20 words we have got. So let me read only the first page. Page number 14 and 15 I read to you. And you also underline. These words are given from 14 and 15 page numbers. Even in the textbook also you underline those words. Then note down, means it will be easy for you. There is a very high and long chain of mountains in the north and northeastern part of India. These are the Himalayan mountain ranges. Himalaya means the abode of snow. These mountain ranges are shaped like an arc and extend from Jammu and Kashmir state in the northeast west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Further, these high mountains turn southwards and are known as northeastern hills. This hilly area is not very high. The Himalayas are the highest mountains and have many parallel ranges. There are many high peaks that remain snow covered throughout the year. The world's highest peak, Mount Everest, is located in the Himalayan mountains. It lies in Nepal. Mount K2, named by Godwin Austen. Kanchenjunga, Naga Parbat and Nanda Devi are the other high peaks in India. These high mountains have always challenged and attracted men and women. Many of them have tried to reach the top of these mountains. Many were successful. Tenzing Norgay of Nepal and Edmund Hillary of New Zealand reached the top of the Mount Everest in 1953. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb the peak in 1984. The Himalayas act as a wall along the northern boundary of India. It stretches for about 2,500 kilometers from east to west in northern India. The Himalayas are wider in Kashmir and narrow down towards the east.